This kit came with a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna try to quickly go through everything that's in this box. It came with a lot of stuff, and I'm happy about that. So, we got tips. I hope you guys can see this stuff. So there's natural, there's clear. But yeah, you can use this as a prep to clean off any dust on your nails. After you're done pretty much filing and stuff, you can use this to get off the tacky layers and all that stuff. So that's what this is. Bunch of filers. These are some good filers. There's Core White, Core Natural. What color is this? This just says powder, so I'm guessing it's just like, you know, an original color, I don't know. And this also just says Core Powder. So these two are probably literally just clear maybe. So I have a lot of that. I have some rose oil for when I'm done. We got nail liquid. I just want somebody, please, for Christmas, just please, 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 buy me like a 32 ounce of this stuff and I'll be happy. Nail forms. It's hard. I don't know. I tried it the first time I ever tried to do my nails, so that can explain why it probably failed for me. But somewhere down the line, I will practice doing these because I do think they last longer than tips. I got a nail brush. Oh my God. In addition to the nail liquid, can somebody please buy me like a nail brush? A brush to clean your nails when you wash them. We got, what is this thing called? A dropper. Protein bond. I got brush on nail glue. And lastly, finishing gel.